Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect ChatGPT with Zoho Mail. First of all, of course, you need to have both accounts on Zoho Mail and ChatGPT. After that, you want to go ahead to zapier.com. And here on Zapier, you will create a Zap, which is basically Zoho Mail connecting to ChatGPT. And let's now create one. Click Create, Zaps. After that, you will choose a trigger, a Zoho Mail. Here it is. Action would be ChatGPT. And now here on Zoho Mail, you need to go ahead and choose an event. So for example, new email matching search. When you receive a new email, ChatGPT, and now you need to go ahead and choose an event, which, for example, classified text, whatever. Now we want to go ahead and continue and sign in to both ChatGPT and Zoho Mail. And just like that, you have created a trigger, then you can send a text and add a test, and that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.